is my mother shopping in her natural habitat. Ooh, la la, jewels. Pretty.
So what did I get? This right here was my buy of the day. It is a 1980s E.T. Parker Brothers board game. It's missing a couple pieces, but I don't really care. I would have bought the box even if it was empty. It was only $1, and E.T. is one of my favorite movies of all time, so I could not pass that up. I also found this 1977 Sesame Street alphabet plate, which I'm sure there's a few people out there who remember eating off these. Found this really cool brass, it's either a letter holder or napkin holder. I think it could be used for both, really. Just really cool design. I really liked it. And then there are a few ladies who always carry great jewelry for great prices, and I can't resist stopping by their booths. And so I found this really cool, I think it's like a copper-coated brass bar pin from the turn of the century, so it's very Art Nouveau, Jugendstil, early Art Deco. So that's going in my private collection. Then these little galoche or guilloche, however you pronounce them, enamel rose earrings. Found a damascene heart necklace from Spain. A sweet little whistle and megaphone, probably an old cheerleader's necklace and keepsake that someone got rid of. Some really snazzy enamel clip-on flower earrings. Only $1. Oh, this is so cool. This pearl star brooch. It's heavy duty. It's really big. Just a cool design. I was happy to find that. Some little pearl and AB clip-on earrings. This little box, it's so tiny. I couldn't pass it up. Tiny little hinged glass box. Probably held a ring or keepsake. I think that might have to stay in my personal collection. This really cool Art Nouveau design, New York compact. Has a mirror inside, no powder, thankfully, because that stuff's a mess, but just thought it was a nice design. Oh, this brooch is so cool. It's not signed, and it's missing just a couple tiny little stones, but just a really cool design. I don't know if I'll keep it or not. Some things I get them home and I'm like, well, I don't have one of those, and I end up keeping it. Found this really big, nice enamel flower brooch. A little chipping, but, you know, adds some character. It was only 50 cents, so what do you expect? This is a faux turquoise Sarah Coventry pendant. Need to find a chain for it. A really sweet little apple brooch. I just like how it fades from green to red. It's just very cheery. A tiny little panda rhinestone pin. I think it may be for holding eyeglasses. That'd be my guess, but just a quirky little piece. And then a Taxco butterfly. So I think all in all, I spent a grand total of $17 for all of these treasures. If you like what you see here, chances are some of these things will show up in my shop in the coming weeks at coleblk.etsy.com. And if you like following along on my thrifting adventures with me and my mom, just subscribe to our channel. We're always up to something at Nicole's Creative Life. Thanks for watching.